morning of CSS aspirants. Today we are going to start our daily one-liner current affairs from all around the world. Today we are going to start with the 14 August news 2021. Number one one-liner news is publicity stunt. Pakistan slams Modi for distorting history in tweets about partition. Pakistan on Saturday called out Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi for distorting history after he announced that August 14, Pakistan's Independence Day, will be observed as Partition Horrors Remembrance Day in India. 2. Pakistan complained in 35 out of 40 recommendations in APG Action Plan. Pakistan is now complained or largely complained in 35 of the 40 recommendations put forth by the Asia Pacific Group APG on money laundering, reveal its follow-up mutual evaluation report MER, an upgrade from the previous assessment in which the country met 31 out of the 40 points in the action plan. Third, attack on FC personnel in Loralai. A Frontier Corps FC personnel base martyred and 2 others injured when terrorists attacked their vehicle in Balochistan, Loralai. 4. 11 killed, several injured in Karachi grenade attack. 11 people, including 7 women and 4 children, were killed and 10 injured after an explosion in Karachi's Mawashkot area on Saturday. 5. Pakistan reports another 4,786 COVID-19 cases as fourth wave continues. Pakistan reported another 4,786 coronavirus cases and 73 deaths during the last 24 hours as the country endeavored to curtail the spread of the Delta variant amid the ongoing fourth wave. Statistic 14 August 21. Total tests in last 24 hours 59,136. Positive cases for 4,786. Positivity percentage is 8.09% and death is 73. Taliban captured Mazar-e-Sharif, Afghanistan fourth largest city. Mazar-e-Sharif, the fourth largest city in Afghanistan, fell to the Taliban on Saturday after a multi-pronged assault launching by insurgents. Taliban now control about 20 of Afghanistan's 34 provinces, leaving the western-backed government with a smattering of provinces in the center and east as well as Kabul. 7th, Israel furious as Poland signed law to limit property claims. Poland's president has decided to sign a bill that would set limits on the ability of Jews to recover property seized by Nazi German occupiers and retained by post-war communist ruler drawing fury from Israel, which branded the law as anti-Semitic. The bill sets a 30-year limit for restitution claims. Number 8. US sending more troops to Afghanistan for personal drawdown. In a statement on Saturday, Biden said he authorized the deployment of approximately 5,000 US troops to make sure we can have an orderly and safe drawdown of US personnel and other allied personnel based on recommendations from US diplomatic, military, and intelligence teams. 9. Haiti earthquake. At least 227 dead, hundreds injured or missing. At least 227 people have been killed after a 7.2 magnitude earthquake struck southwest Haiti, the country's civil protection agency said, hours after the earthquake reduced buildings to rubble and sent terrified residents running out of their homes in search of safety. Number 10. US sees record number of children in hospital with COVID. Pediatric hospitalization hit 1,902 on Saturday, according to data from the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services (HHS), accounting for about 22.4% of the country's total coronavirus-related hospitalizations. Children below 12 years of age are not eligible to receive the coronavirus